Yo, what's up guys? So I thought I'd give you guys an update video of what I'm doing so far on the Honda, because right now I was gonna edit a lot of stuff and toss it on the weekend because I'm house sitting currently, and I don't know if you guys noticed, I'm actually in a garage for the first time in my life, and I couldn't help not bring in the Honda. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it deserves to belong in a garage for once, instead of like just sitting in the sun just getting deteriorated away like just by the elements. I wanted to give you guys a rundown of things I'm going to do to the car since I haven't put anything out because of finals and school and stuff. I'm currently in final mode right now, and so right now like I haven't posted anything about a month or so. That's fine, right? Yeah, you know, I appreciate you guys. I hit 160 subscribers now. That kind of blows my mind that like you guys like my content enough to subscribe to me, because like, yeah, it's just super cool. So thank you. I really do appreciate you guys subscribing and, you know, commenting on my videos and liking them, because this kind of gives me motivation to continue what I'm doing and, I don't know, help you guys out more and maybe get better at what I'm doing. So let's see what I got so far.
Winds southerly at about 15.
So there's something I bought a while back that I thought it'd be really neat to work on, because this certain part on the car is stupidly expensive, but the parts to repair one is not stupidly expensive. I mean, it's kind of expensive, not too bad though. But I'm going to be rebuilding my distributor for the Honda, because why not? And I gotta change the brakes and do that. I might do a video on that one. Honestly, I'm gonna do a video on that one just to help you guys out, because I think a distributor costs like 120 bucks brand new if you kind of get at a good deal somewhere. But like this, I don't know, I think it costed me like 30 bucks in total, all the things I needed. So like it was like 30, 35, 40 around there, but it definitely beats spending over 100 bucks on a certain part of a car that, I don't know, it's aftermarket and it might not run so good. So if you have an OEM like distributor, might as well replace it with good parts if you can find them. And I got one more bag right here. And I don't know if you guys know this or not, but a long time ago, I put some money in some really awesome perks that this car usually doesn't have, and it's super rare. I have a really good friend of mine who I've met through Facebook, and he hooked me up pretty hard when we first met. So thank you, Jay. I really do appreciate it. And I am putting these on. So expect a full install on some factory OEM fog lights on the Honda Accord. So keep tuned. Keep in tune. Keep tuning in, and it'll be fun. You guys will like it. It'll kind of like remind me of the last like bumper install I did in the car. So kind of that like fast but still understandable, still pretty cool. People really like that video. And it's a full factory install. I have all the like wires and harnesses and all that fun stuff. I just don't have the screws of these things, so I just need to go to the junkyard and find some 8mm or something. But it's something cool. And there's some other things I've done to the car too that I haven't shown anybody yet, but I'm planning on doing an actual video. I need to go to the junkyard to actually show you guys, because I actually fixed mine. And what I meant by fixing is that I fixed my glove box, dude. Like, so a lot of these cars have a problem of that light here. Well, I need to turn on my headlights. So you see that light that illuminates there? So when you're driving at night and you turn on your headlights, this light will illuminate through the like passenger side, and it'll kind of be annoying because like I have one light and it's right here and it's always on, and it's been on for the past like 20 years. So I found a way to fix this. So the thing is, I can't re-mess mine up because I don't feel like doing that. So I'm gonna go to the junkyard and show you guys how to do that. And it was really easy, dude. Look at this. Like, see lights off. Like, and it actually closes like beautifully too. Like, oh my God, it's so nice, dude. 20 something odd years of this thing just being on constantly. I wonder if it's drained my batteries over the years. Yeah, turn that off. But yeah, guys, that's it. I just want to give you guys an update and show you guys I'm still alive. I'm just doing a lot of stuff right now, and this is kind of like my side hobby. But again, 160 subscribers, dude. That's what blows my mind. So thanks, guys. And yeah, stay tuned for fog lights, maybe a security alarm install from Honda factory, whatever I got over there, distributor replacement. Oh yeah, another big thing too is I got an engine. I got a new engine for the car. It's an F22A6. This is an F22A1 in this car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the good parts from that engine and toss them on this one, because why not? You feel me? So right now this car has 120 stock horsepower. The F22A6 has 140 stock horsepower. So I mean, this car's 30 years old, so I'm pretty sure it gets like 90 horsepower now. But might as well toss in every single part, and I'm gonna go in detail on all of that. So stay tuned for that, guys. It's gonna be really fun. But see you guys in the next one. Peace out.